Let's talk power. These 3 charging stations all have unique features about them, and depending on your needs, one of these charging stations are bound to be in your cart in the next 2 minutes. They all charge 3 Apple products simultaneously: the iPhone, the Apple Watch, and the AirPods, or any devices that can be charged wirelessly. No more fumbling with charging cables. They only require one to charge everything all at once. First up, we've got the station from Share Sunshine. This one is fast. Even with all 3 devices being charged, the unit never heated up and it charged very quickly. This one has a built-in watch charger, so no need to go out and get one. It's compact, very lightweight, and comes with one USB cable. Next is the charging station from Dobo. Clearly there's a big difference in this one, not just in size, because not only does it charge the phone, watch, and earbuds, but it also charges your iPad. The iPad stand is very durable and sturdy, so you can be confident your tablet is secure, and you can continue to use it while it's being charged atop its adjustable perch. Then the rest of the devices are charged below. If you have a watch band like mine, you will have to undo one end to lay the band flat. Speaking of flat, this station folds flat, so it would be a great option for travel. Last but certainly not least is the charging station from Tassilary. This one is small but mighty. Again, it charges 3 devices, but there are 5 additional ports for more charging options. You've got 3 USBs and 2 mini USB ports are included on the base. This one you'll need a separate watch charger, but the design is sleek and easy to install. And I just think this one's really pretty. The shiny black is lovely. There you have it, folks. 3 great options for charging stations. Which one will you pick?